Welcome to the Cottages at Indian Trail. Here we have a 2-story Holden floor plan available. It's got a very open concept layout with a large kitchen and dining area, which is great for entertaining. One of my favorite things about this home is definitely going to be the sunroom. I just love how all of the light comes in from the windows. On the first floor, we also have the master bedroom and bath, which is very convenient. The community is beautiful and has plenty of space for you to get out and enjoy. Nearby, there are nice parks, golf courses, shopping and entertainment, and there's always something going on in the town for you and your family to enjoy. For pricing, please give us a call.